Jet planes in the night sky with you.
Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel. So to create this rainbow tiger look, first of all I painted the area above my top lip white, and I also painted these white shapes around my eyes which look like the white fur of a tiger. I then went into this neon split cake. You can use any split cakes you have and it will look really cool. It doesn't have to be this kind of one. And I just loaded up a sponge really well with the paint, and by keeping the bottom bit of the sponge in the same place, I just fanned it around, and that's how you get the rainbow above the eye area. I used the same technique in these spaces under the eyes as well. I kept the top of the sponge with the pink bit in the same place, and then I fanned the sponge round from where the mouth is all the way up until the eye area. I added puffs of glitter while the paint was still wet because, well, why not? We're in quarantine, we're bored, we're going crazy, let's be as extra as possible. In the tip of the sponge with just the pink bit on, I then coloured in my nose, but if I was to go back and do this I would have just taken a fresh sponge with a fresh pink paint on it, just so the colours didn't blend in too much together, the pink and the orange. But anyway, I went back into the white paint, I added some more details under the eyes, and then I painted my bottom lip in pink. I then went into a black paint, and this is a Mark Reed round number 4 brush. This is a pretty amazing brush. They're quite expensive, but I wanted to get one to try it out. And when you're doing the details on the tiger, you want to really change the pressure on your brush, so some bits are thick and some bits are super thin, and that's what makes it look really effective. I've got a crazy tiger related fact for you. Did you know that in America they have more tigers in captivity than they do in the wild in the rest of the entire world? I can't believe that. It's crazy. I added a black wing liner as I'm doing it on myself, but obviously if you're doing this on a child you'd probably skip this part. I drew some eyelashes on underneath the eyes, and then I went into a white face paint and I just added some detailed dots all over the design on top of the black tiger stripes. Okay, so here it is, the finished rainbow tiger face paint. As I said, you can use any split cakes you have to create a cute, colourful tiger face paint. And once you get the hang of it, it's actually super easy. Thanks for watching. I hope you're all doing really well. Obviously this is such a weird time. I'm just going to be as creative as possible and keep posting videos on here to keep myself entertained and sane. So yeah, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.